Enjoy a private country lifestyle close to town. This charming contemporary Queenslander features a fantastic wraparound veranda and multiple living and entertaining areas for the whole family, inside and out. It features a wonderful open-plan design in the air-conditioned main living areas and a huge kitchen with loads of storage space, a corner pantry and a dishwasher. The kitchen overlooks a casual living space which opens through timber French doors to a secluded northeast covered rear deck which adjoins a lovely leafy greenhouse. Back inside, there are 3 large bedrooms on offer, each with built-in robes. The master bedroom is air-conditioned and also features an ensuite and a walk-in robe. Both bathrooms are similarly styled, and the main family bathroom also includes a bathtub. The real feature of this property is the beautifully landscaped grounds and gardens. This park-like 1-acre block offers a variety of mature trees, scrubs and fruit trees, sprawling lawns amongst garden beds and boxed veggie patches. There are 2 separate garden sheds, as well as a chook pen with good laying chooks included. The property is well set up for water, with a total of 14,000 gallons over 3 rainwater tanks, plus town water. With loads of lock-up car accommodation, a workshop and great storage space, this fantastic location is just 5 minutes to Toowoomba and close to all amenities at Hodgson Vale. To discuss any of your property needs, contact Murray Troy from Elders Real Estate, your award-winning residential and lifestyle specialist, offering unwavering commitment, exceptional customer service, and the advantage of the entire team at Elders Toowoomba, all working for you.